beautiful outside area. Super snowy, pretty. I don't know when the last time it snowed is though, but we're gonna check out the inside. Did they just lock the fucking door on me? Okay, room tour time. Make sure to turn the light on and wipe your feet.
Keegan! Hey, what's up, man? Keegan! Hey, what's up?
Hey, we got all these sexy men over here. All these beautiful, sexy men. This big, beautiful kitchen. Big. Now we gotta see what's in the fridge.
Wow!
Ooh, free drinks.
And then this is the inside.
And then, this is Logan.
And then you come in here, and we have a kitchen. There's a countertop.
Got a room in
Sure. Whoa, what's this guy doing?
Oh, yes.
Whoa. Whoa. What's this guy? What's it?
Joey, wait up for me.
Without Dom.
Does anyone have a key to get us back in?
I
I
do.
do.
Words of wisdom.
Words of wisdom. Don't catch the edge that's facing down the hill.
Bunda, 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 bunda.
Ooh. Your epic password? So you said you don't think it's gonna be that hard?
I don't think it's gonna be that hard, bro. Snowboarding, like I don't skateboard much. My balance ain't the best on it, but like there's hella bumps and stuff with like when you're on the sidewalk and stuff. So I think wheels are gonna be worse than like snowboard.
I'm gonna sit out here and be homeless. I'm being dead ass.
All right, you have a good night. Where are you at?
I want to see this. What the fuck is
Here,
this?
wait, show
I'll find you guys. I
Show-
just need you to send me an accurate location.
show Joey where you're at. Show Joey where you're at. Go back to that one
Let
room.
me see this.
In here.
Bro, what the fuck is that? What are your thoughts on the upcoming hot tub date, Keegan?
So stoked. I can't
Are
wait
you
to see
gonna
it.
get real warm?
I'm gonna get real warm.
How warm, Keegan?
I'm gonna get so.
Tell me how
I'm gonna
warm,
get so
Keegan.
hot. I'm just thinking about it. I can't wait to see Joey naked.
We're going on a trip. We're going. Oh my god, I almost slammed that door open. Holy shit. Our gear has been secured. Yippee. Fuck. The Wally World. We're gonna see if they kick me out or if they let me live.
Look how hard,
Dude, it's actually making like a sound.
hard as a rock this beef is.
That's crazy. I could climb up there.
No.
It's in like a plastic container. Okay.
Huh?
No, now Will Metlag is calling me. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Everyone's calling me. Everyone in the world is calling me.
It might not even load.
This.
How big is it? Show the camera. Holy shit.
Let's check them real quick. Someone take that. Someone take that.
That's a lot of food.
Dude, the hot tub looks fire.
Yeah, it's still open. It's still open. I might throw my stuff on and get in the hot tub.
You're wussing out of the hot tub already. Dude, it's a hot tub. It's a fucking hot tub for a reason, dude. Where the fuck did they go? Oh, they're going around this side. Oh, he's coming around this way. Hold on. Where the fuck did he go? Bro.
I was leaving out to...
Oh, they're throwing snow at us. That's crazy.
Hey, I was
Dude, he's napping there. What the fuck?
leaving down.
How long were you in the shower?
Bro, fuck off, dude.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I got done before this motherfucker was out of the bathroom.
Dude, we got in the hot tub, got back, and then changed, and you were still in the shower.
Dude, I didn't get in the shower when you were in the hot tub. I got in like 2 minutes before you got here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, ask them, bro. Hey, how long did I take a shower for? 5
I heard you guys yelling at bypassers.
Yeah, that's Keegan over there. That's Keegan 1. Yeah, oh, Keegan 2 and Keegan 3.
Hey, what's up, Keegan?
Hey, how you doing, Keegan? Keegan Meister.
Bedtime. Time, egg time, eggy time. Egg time, egg time. Oh shit, it is snowing.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, that's pretty.
That's pretty.
Damn.
She's party.
Nice.
Excuse me.
I'll come out for mine in a minute. Eggs.
Push it in. And then just crank
Wait,
that.
so I do.
Crank it.
How do? Oh, under. I want to see
So
how I do it.
put it right under there. Kind of push it in.
Put it in the right
Just
spot.
keep cranking. Until like you literally cannot anymore with all your strength. You want to just tight as fuck.
And then I do the same thing with this.
Is your foot all the way into the back?
I think so.
And then that one goes over the toe. Yeah. And then you
Okay.
just thread it through.
Was facing the right way. I don't know. So how you guys feeling? On a scale of 1 to amazing, how do you guys feel?
Excited.
Left from here. Wait, open this hip. Just follow me like this. See if you can follow. You see how I got it angled? About 45. Weight on that foot, yep. 45. Now, you want to take your weight, put it on this foot, and go 45 the other way.
Do I switch the weight of the foot I'm on?
Yep. You gotta switch your weight to the 45 foot. All right, so I'm gonna show you a J turn here, okay?
Okay.
Jump a little speed. There you go. Jump a little speed. Keep going. Yep. Point yourself a little more down the hill.
One more down.
All right. Now.
Then toe.
Yep. Now go to your.
Oh shit. So I lean forward and I turn.
Yep. Just exactly like that. Yep. That was it. Yeah. Just slowly turn yourself facing down, and then you go into your.
That was that was his brother.
How was it?
Not that bad.
You're wrong.
y'all are haters.
You're so wrong.
Oh, I think so.
How was the drink, Woody?
I just popped Advil and that shit was so carbonated, bro. This is about to be a nasty mix.
I was talking about that drink.
Oh, dude, that shit is dog water. I think the perfect taste is like, or the perfect way to describe it. It's someone drank a 4 Loko and then vomited it back up into a glass of milk.
We ended up at an arcade. Not at food.
This has got a little more than the other.
So, do you want to get anything, Jade?
I'm gonna wait till dinner.
Really?
We'll try the with a Kit Kat.
Damn.
That's pretty good.
You want to try half of this? I don't know what this is.
Wait, that's food?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. It's like a little wafer. This is good. Oh. Cool. Epic.
Chupapi. Monano.
What you doing over here?
Hanging out with my homeboy.
What's his name?
Him?
Yeah.
Big Bear.
Big Bear.
Big Bear. That's his
Big
name.
Bear. It's a nice name.
Yes, sir.
What? Did you just find like love in that bite? Like, are you just happy? Your face lit up. This is amazing. Dude, your eyes lit up when you tasted that. Like, you literally.
What?
Isn't that amazing?
No, this is better.
Snapping turtle.
Oh, that's good.
Interesting.
What do you have there?
Dude, that prime rib one lit up my heart and my
Dude,
eyes.
your eyes lit up. You turned around and immediately went to the wall. Like,
There was no delay.
you genuinely fell in love with that jerky. we have got the text.
They legally have to stop for us.
We have to get to the food place in T-minus 3 minutes.
Do we want to order like some wings or something along with our main food? I like seeing myself in it. How are babies made?
I was just getting the meat lovers pizza.
I've always wondered that.
Do you want the...
Would you want to try something walking?
No, that's gross.
Wait, I'm not done.
We don't care, Chad. We don't care. And Chad, if you're new to the stream, you just joined. Short for calculator.
Hold on.
I plan to go.
Wait, I gotta finish the demo. And then the baby's head. Bah!
Honestly, how much?
How to get in there in the first place, though?
Whichever one happens first.
I don't know, man.
Crawled out. I gotcha.
Yeah. Bah! Food. So cool. Is that a clinker?
Get your dirty clinker ass out of my Colorado.
Oh, snow.
What the hell?
Holy shit! Wait, it's just a fucking hill right, the bump
Dude,
right
I
here.
got that one.
Bro.
Me down. Hey, you
Get it, Keegan.
Like, yo, let me down, what grade were you in when this was out? Like 5th grade? Or
Dude, I'm 2 years behind you, bro.
what?
Morning. Day 3, but like day 2 on the slopes. I think I said it yesterday. I slipped my foot on a bed. I lost my ski goggles. Paid $60 for new ski goggles. Paid $26 for a crunchy burger. And got lost with a dead phone for 2.5 hours. So we're gonna make today a better day. Yeah, it's been a minute. Let's see if I can still do this shit.
This side, that is, you want to keep it going like this. You never want the downhill side dug in.
Yeah,
That's all you got to pay attention to, and the rest is just point this shoulder, and that's where you'll go. Yeah, I hate them too, but that's, they help.
All right, you ready? This is about to be aura. This is about to be aura right here. After I pick. It's gonna be a backflip. Do lots of those. Big time. Trees are hard to dodge. I knew it was Mercury Vessels. Fuck.
No one got it right. Nobody got it right.
Dude, that was so retarded.
Joey, I have a problem. I have a hole in my ass. What do I do?
The shit shoe, dude.
Shit shoot. It's perfect.
Now introducing the shit shoot. Shit out your ass and your asshole.
Here comes the party!
What'd you think, Dom? Explain.
So I didn't know that honey packs was a thing to make your. I just thought a honey pack was a pack of honey.
Compared to Domino's.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Sorry to delay everything, but you guys are probably really hungry. So there it is. There's our place. The peak of Asia. Let's go.
Dude, you're so confused.
Look at this bike. Like,
Holy shit, Keegan. Dude, you're like
what?
Keegan, are you making love with that beef?
I am. Like look at this goodness. Like, it's so good.
Like a river, deliver like a missile.